Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing ThemeKit and verifying the version so you know you have the right features. Once installed, get an API password, your shop domain, and the theme ID from the admin. These connect your local files to the store. Next, create a config. IML at the project root containing those values. This tells ThemeKit where to push and pull. Make sure file paths match your theme structure so uploads go to the correct directory. Now you establish a smooth development cycle by downloading the live theme files, so you edit the exact assets used in production. Use ThemeWatch to automatically upload changes as you save. This keeps iteration fast. Once done with edits locally, test in a draft or development theme to avoid breaking the live store. Use separate config entries for development versus production to prevent accidental pushes. Remember to commit change to finish, deploy changes deliberately. Run a targeted deploy command to push only the assets you intend to production. Before major pushes, back up the current theme by downloading or exporting it so you can restore if needed. If something fails, first recheck your API credentials and confirm config. IML syntax: configuration mistakes cause most failures. Also make sure your network permits the connection. If problems persist, run the command with verbose logging to inspect responses, and then correct the failing files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.